session we are going to discuss polar coordinates, and we'll see how polar coordinates are applicable to parametric equation of curves, and what operations and what properties of polar coordinates will be helpful for our study. So let's start with the session. So for example, you are dealing with a polar coordinate system in a plane. So if a polar coordinate system in a plane is consisting any fixed point O, so in this figure you can see that this point is O, which is known as the pole. Okay, so we have to fix a point on the polar coordinate and we have to call that point pole. Okay, for example, origin. You can call it pole or you can call it origin, whatever is suitable for you. And a ray emanating from the pole called the polar axis. So this ray is going to be going out from the pole. Okay, so you can say that this is the polar axis. In such a coordinate system, we can associate with each point P in the plane pair of polar coordinates r theta. So this P point will be there in your polar coordinate, and this P is having coordinate r theta. Okay, so if okay, so this is the ray emanating from the pole, and I'm calling this as polar axis. You can see that that is looking like x-axis. In such coordinate system, we can associate with each point P in the plane pair of polar coordinates. So we are taking r and theta as our polar coordinates. So you can see that this is angle theta, this is radius r, and if you are taking one point over here, then x coordinate of that point will become r, and y coordinate of that point we are taking it as theta. Okay, it's not the same thought as of xy plane. It's not the coordinate plane, it's just a representation of x and y axis. So we are taking our first coordinate as r and we are taking our second coordinate as theta. Okay, now we will proceed further. Okay, so where r is the distance from P to the pole, so distance from P to the pole is called as r, and theta is the angle from the polar axis. So theta is the angle from polar axis to the OP line segment. Okay, so we have to consider two things, distance from pole to P, and second thing we have to consider is the angle between polar axis and the line segment OP. Okay, the number r is called the radial coordinate. So r is the distance from O to P, and the name of r is radial coordinate. And the number theta is angular coordinate. Okay, so there are two coordinates here, like x coordinate, y coordinate. For this we will be having radial coordinate for radius and angular coordinate for angle. Okay, in figure the points 6 pi by 4, 5 2 pi by 3, 3 5 pi by 4 and 4 11 pi by 4 are plotted in polar coordinate system. So I'll just show you that. Yeah, so this is your 6 5 pi by 4. That means this distance, just let me change the color of the pen so that it's visible. So the distance between O and P is 6, and the angle between your polar axis to OP is pi by 4. Here the distance is 5, so this is your P, this is your O in this case, and the angle is 2 pi by 3. Now this is your O, this is your P, and the angle you can say that it's 5 pi by 4. In this case, this is your O, this is your P, and the angle is 11 pi by 4. So these are the examples which you have to keep in your mind जब भी आप polar coordinate को plot करते हो. That first you need to represent the distance between OP, and second coordinate will be your angular coordinate. For that you have to represent the angle which is between OP and your polar axis. Okay, so इस तरह से आप polar coordinate को represent कर सकते हो. If P is the pole, then r is equals to 0, but there is no clearly defined polar angle. तो अगर मैं बोलूँ P इधर है, पोल पे है, तो r P और O सेम पॉइंट हो जाएंगे. That means there will be only one point. तो यहाँ से there is no angle which is clearly visible. Okay, so our plot okay. We will agree that an arbitrary angle can be used in this case. That means 0 theta are polar coordinates of the pole for all choices of theta. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए मैं बोल सकती हूँ कि थीटा आप कुछ भी रख लो, मेरा जो पॉइंट है वो हो जाएगा 0 थीटा. ठीक है, बिकॉज 0 इज द डिस्टेंस एंड थीटा यू कैन पुट एनी एंगल बिकॉज पॉइंट पे आपको कोई एंगल विजिबल नहीं होगा. ठीक है, सो यू कैन मेक एनी चॉइस फॉर थीटा बट द पॉइंट दैट मीन्स द आर will be 0. That's for sure. Now we'll see the polar coordinate of a point are not unique. What do we mean by this? That for example, I am considering this as O and I am considering this as P. In all the cases, you can see O and P are at the same point. This is O and this is P. Okay? The distance between O and P is fixed, which is 1, 1, 1 in all the cases. So now for first case we are considering the angle going anti-clockwise, okay, counterclockwise. So my angle is 7 pi by 4. If I don't want to go counterclockwise, then I'll go clockwise. So at that moment my angle will be negative pi by 4. And third case, when we are completing one entire rotation like this, and then we are calculating the angle again, it's 2 pi plus theta. Okay, so that is the same as your theta. That means at different types or different approaches to find the angle, you will be having multiple polar representation for the same P, same Q and same angle. Okay, you can go clockwise, you can go counterclockwise, you can just complete the entire circle and then again go clockwise. Reversely also you can complete the entire circle and then go clockwise. ओके तो ये सारी रिप्रेजेंटेशंस पॉसिबल है. दैट मीन्स किसी भी पॉइंट पे पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट यूनिक नहीं है, मतलब कि किसी भी पॉइंट के लिए आपको सिर्फ एक रिप्रेजेंटेशन मिले ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. यू विल गेट मल्टीपल रिप्रेजेंटेशन. सो पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स आर नॉट यूनिक. दिस इज वन थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन योर माइंड विदाउट द फिल. Okay, in general, if a point P has a polar coordinate r theta, तो for example P का polar coordinate है r theta, तो आप r थीटा प्लस 2 पाई 4 पाई 6 पाई ये भी ले सकते हो और थीटा माइनस 2 पाई 4 पाई 6 पाई भी ले सकते हो. सो किसी भी पॉइंट के लिए अगर r थीटा उसका पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट है देन r थीटा प्लस 2n पाई या फिर r थीटा माइनस 2n पाई भी उसका पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स हर एक पॉइंट का, हर एक O और P विद सम एंगल थीटा पॉइंट का इनफाइनाइट पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स पॉसिबल है. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई एक होगा एंड वी आर गुड टू गो. यू कैन राइट इनफाइनाइट पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स फॉर एनी पॉइंट. ओके, इन जनरल द टर्मिनल साइड ऑफ द एंगल थीटा प्लस पाई इज द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द टर्मिनल साइड ऑफ थीटा. So we define negative radial coordinates by agreeing that negative r theta and r theta plus pi. तो अगर मैं बोल रही हूँ मेरा r यहाँ पे है और अगर मुझे उसका ऑपोजिट साइड जाना है, so this will be my negative r. तो नेगेटिव r थीटा इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. और अगर आपको नेगेटिव r नहीं जाना है तो आप थीटा प्लस पाई लगा लो, वो भी चलेगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल दिस इज योर थीटा. तो अगर आप नेगेटिव r के साथ थीटा ले लो तो चलेगा, या फिर आप r लेके पूरा पाई प्लस थीटा लो तो भी चलेगा. सो इट्स अप टू यू, वॉट एवर यू फाइंड इज सुटेबल फॉर यू, यू कैन गो विद दैट. सो ये है पोलर रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड दिस इज हाउ वी कैन कैलकुलेट द पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स फॉर एनी पॉइंट एट एनी एंगल. Okay, so I hope you have understood this. Now I'll be meeting you in the upcoming session. Tab tak take care of yourself. Have a good day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
अरे एक मिनट, देख लिए, पसंद आया वीडियो? तो ऐसे ही और इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस को देखने के लिए आज ही हमारे एप्लीकेशन डोरा बाई को डाउनलोड कीजिए प्ले स्टोर से, जहां हमारे एजुकेटर्स फ्रॉम टॉप इंस्टीट्यूशंस और आईआईटी से आपकी यूनिवर्सिटी के हिसाब से लेके आए हैं क्यूरेटेड वीडियो लेक्चर्स और वाइड वेराइटी ऑफ नोट्स बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. तो देरी किस बात की, आज ही हमारे और आपके डोरा बाई को डाउनलोड कीजिए प्ले स्टोर से और एग्जाम में फोड़ दीजिए.